Hello students, welcome back to Neeta's Business Studies class again. So in our last class we already started with the organization structure, that is design and framework or the blueprint of an organization, and we studied the two important types of organization structure. That is, one is functional structure and the second one is divisional structure. So function structure is based on function. Departments are divided based on functions or activities or operations. And in today's class, we're going to study about the division structure. So division structure, the meaning here. Divisional structure refers to the organization structure that comprises of different units or divisions, and it is grouped on the basis of different products manufactured. In other words, within each division, the functional structure is also adapted. For example, a large company may have divisions like cosmetics, garments, footwear, skincare, etc. So in simple words, dear students, division structure is dividing the organization structure into different departments based on the product line followed by the functions in each product department. So division structure, the basis or the foundation is based on not on functions or activities, but it is based on each product. Each product will get specialization and due attention there, followed by the functions involved in each product line. So that is why we have different products. For example, cosmetics, garments, footwear, skincare, etc. So this is a very important diagram which will show us how this organization chart showing division and functional structure is going to work. So we have the managing director at the top. Under him, there are different departments divided on the basis of product lines. So different products are divided into different departments. That is cosmetic one department, garments or textiles another department, footwear one department, skincare another department. Under that, it's followed and organized by the functions under each product line or department. So human resource function, marketing function, research and development function, purchasing or sales function, all these are followed under, or it's coming under the product line of each and every department. So this is a very important diagram, a very important chart that shows both divisional as well as functional structure of an organization. So here it is divided into different departments based on not functions but based on products, and then followed by functions. So we have the advantages and disadvantages here. We'll first discuss about the advantages of division structure. The first one is division structure helps in product specialization, and the divisional heads will have no more chances of promotion because they gain experience in all the functions related to a particular product. Yes. So division structure is based on product, and each product will get its own specialization and due attention. And very importantly, divisional heads or managers have more chances and opportunities for promotion because they have versatile experience. They have different experience of different functions. They are trained for different functions in a particular product. So that is why there are more chances of promotion, unlike your, you can say, functional structure. Second one, it provides a proper basis for performance measurement and take remedial actions. It also helps in fixation of responsibilities. Yes, your responsibility fixation is very clear. It's clear cut who should do what, because it's divided on the basis of not function. It is based on products and then followed by functions. So that is why you can measure who is what, where, what is going wrong, and take remedial measures. Who is performing the best, who is not performing, and take remedial actions. So it helps in fixation of responsibilities as well. The third point of advantages, it promotes flexibility and initiative, and it also leads to faster decision making. Yes, very importantly, it is showing not rigid rules and regulations. It is not rigid. You can make any adjustment, any changes, you can take any lead, any initiative, you can take any steps. For faster decision making also is possible. It's only possible in divisional structure, not in functional structure. So in divisional structure, flexibility is there. Any adjustments can be made in product line. More departments can be added. More staff can be added. Initiative is possible. Decision making on faster basis can be possible because you need not consult any other department for that matter. Then the fourth advantage is it facilitates growth and expansion because new product line can be introduced by adding another division head and staff. Yes, it's very simple here. It facilitates very easily growth and expansion of any organization. If at all the business is planning to start with one more new product line, it can add very easily by adding new divisional heads and staff. So by introducing one more product, it can add to the divisional structure. There is total flexibility and there is total opportunity for growth and expansion without interruption of work. Now we'll study the limitations or drawbacks or disadvantages of divisional organization. Conflicts may arise among different divisions regarding allocation of funds with the intention of earning more profits. So what happens is each product line will be having their own funds, and allocation of funds may be the cause of any, you can say, problem. And allocation or distribution of funds with the intention of earning more and more money and profits, conflicts may arise among different departments or different product lines. Second one is it may lead to increase in cost due to duplication of activities and further may increase expenditure as well. Yes, unlike our functional structure wherein there is no duplication or no overlapping, no duplication of activities, but here duplication of activities may take place because divisional structure is based on functions. Divisional organization is based on products and then followed by functions. Sometimes there is overlapping of work or there is some confusion. Then the operating cost will increase and this will lead to increased cost. The third one is it may lead to misuse of power among the managers and they may ignore the organizational interest. Yes. So managers will have all the authority and all the power to supervise and to lead the organization structure based on division. That is, one product line is completely given on to them. So this is what happens. The managers may misuse their power and they may ignore the organizational interest, and this may lead to selfish motives. So this is what are, you can say, all the disadvantages or drawbacks or limitations of you can say divisional organization. And now we'll just compare divisional organization with the functional organization structure, wherein we'll also get to know the difference between the two. We have three columns here, that is basis, and we have functional structure and then the divisional structure. So first it is formation. Formation is based on functions under functional structure. Formation is based on product lines and it is supported by functions in divisional structure. Specialization, the second point. We have specialization of functions or activities. But in divisional structure, we have specialization of product line. Each product is different department. Responsibility. It is a little bit difficult to fix on responsibility on each department. Responsibility is not clear. But in divisional structure, it is easy to fix responsibility for any performance. Managerial development, a little bit difficult as managers do not take any initiative. They do not have any chance for promotion also, as each functional manager has to report to the top management. So there is no managerial development in functional structure, but managerial development is very much possible in divisional structure because it is very easy, and autonomy as well as the chance to perform multiple function helps in managerial development. So in one department itself you are thorough and you are well versed in all the types of functions and activities, and that is why managerial development is very much possible in divisional structure. Then the cost. So functions are not duplicated, hence it is very economical. There is no overlapping, there is no repetition, there is no waste of resources. It's very economical in functional structure. But in divisional structure, there is duplication of resources in various departments, hence it is very costly. Sometimes there is overlapping of work, wastage of resources and so on, and that is why it becomes high expenditure takes place. Then coordination. Coordination is difficult for a multi-product company. So when you are talking about functional structure, it becomes a little bit difficult and confusing in a multi-product company. But Coordination is very easy because all functions related to a particular product are integrated in one department. In your divisional structure, we have the departments based on different products and then supported by the functions. In one single department, we have all the functions integrated together, and that is why here coordination becomes very easy. So this can be comparative, or it can be called as difference between the functional and the divisional structure. So now we'll study about the divisional structure suitability. So divisional structure is very suitable for those business enterprises where a large variety of products are manufactured. When you have different product lines, you have multiple product lines, and when you are into large scale production of different products, then you can go for divisional structure. So the conclusion: for every organization, an organization structure at all times should aim towards the achievement of organizational objectives and also contribute to the development of personnel. So it's very important here that organization structure should be designed in such a manner that it is suiting the nature and size of the business according to the functions performed and according to the product line what you are involved into. So this is what is the organization structure conclusion, and every organizational structure should lead to the achievement of organizational objectives and at the same time development of managers as well as staff. This is what is the conclusion for your organization structure. That's all for today's class, dear students. I hope you have understood. Thank you.